So it really has been a minute since Winter has put out anything. Um, we really need some more Winter products. I really hope that they do a comeback. I really need some more Winter. I guess I'm in the mood to undo this because the mob dropped their little EP today, and I've been just jamming to that all morning and afternoon. So I had, like I said before in another video, I had gotten this and had just put it aside. I just, laziness, whatever, and never gotten around to open it. So, like I said, Mops put me into the mood. So let's go ahead and open up Winter 2016 Exit Tour in Seoul live CD. Okay. And you can see there it says the same on the side here. And on the back is the track list. Let's see. Go Up, Love Is a Lie, Empty, Sentimental, Tonight, Okie Dokie, Wild and Young, Fear, I'm Young, Pricked, Coloring, Baby Baby, Rut, Immature, Smile Again, and then there's Don't Flirt, Sentimental, Just Another Boy, and Go Up. This I happened to get on Catch Up CD when I didn't get this. No, I didn't get this at the same time that I got this. I got this with a bunch of Block B CDs and so forth. But yeah, I really need some more Winter in my life. So come on, YG, let's do some stuff here. So let me open this. Just plastic. Shiny. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's a slip cover. Okay, sorry. Yes, a little plastic slip, so just pull this off. Okay, here's the group. Yay. Oh, it just makes me miss them. CD, and I don't believe there's anything underneath there. No, it's plain. Oh, it's two. Ooh. Okay. Alright. And then separated by this little felt and yellow on there. Down. Nope, I had it right way. Okay, this is the each song information, the credits, I believe. Poster. I've really gotten a lot of things with him, with Sing-hoon. I'm sorry. When I saw you in Lee, I'm sorry, this is off topic for Winter, but I saw GD's Fortune Teller live, the session on the V app, and they were telling GD to avoid people with the last name Lee. Anyway, okay, let's move on. That cute smile. I would like to see them in concert. I would. They need to come to New York. I'd be happy. I mean, they've come. I know they came to New York and they did the photo shoot because I have the CD, DVD. But I want them to do a concert here. Probably a lot of people wouldn't agree with me, and we'll probably start some little thing. But since the boys, both groups, are friends with each, I think a double concert with Winner and Icon would be absolutely fantastic. So I know Minho is going to be promoting Mob with Icon for a few of their shows. But I actually want to see Winner. Winner. But I would like them to do a concert and see the interaction between both of them. I do have the YG family concert with both of them, and then with the rest of the YG family. And there was a little bit of interaction shown in there with them, but I miss the win. And then with Mob Town today, with Minho and Bobby, and just seeing like the two of them together, and it looked like they had like a cute little bromance and stuff going on. I just miss their interaction, so it would be nice to see them all together again. Okay. So that's all of my CD. Here. So I thank you for your patience and listening to my ramblings on. As I said, I have a few more things coming. Hopefully I won't be as laxed, and we'll open up these things. And if I don't know if people out there want to see my collection of I'm mostly a YG person, so that's who I collect. Or I should really say I'm a YG person, yes, but Big Bang is what I truly collect. And when there's like a drought of things, I look around and I'll look at another group and maybe perhaps we'll pick up things from them as well. But that was, I mean, my goal was never to like, purchase from like everybody and have this big collection. It was just going to be a Big Bang thing, and then there was like a drought of nothing. So I started picking up here and there. So I mean, let's not say I don't listen to other music. I do. I absolutely positively do. It's mainly I download a lot of things from iTunes, watch a lot of their videos on either Mnet or YouTube. But there are a few, and even like some groups that are not even YG related, that I'll buy their hot copy of their music, such as Dean, of course, Block-B, as I've mentioned, BTS. I'm not a hardcore BTS fan. I have their releases. But I'm not like going out and like spending like on every little thing that they drop, because big kids just seems to think that they can just drop something every other week. And I'll put this on there and do that. And like I love Got7. I think Jackson is just cute, so cute, and Bam Bam and all the rest. So there are groups that I will. I think, you know, when Blackpink puts out some things, I will get. I have downloaded their music from iTunes, but you know, when their physical things come out, I will get those. So anyway, as I said, thank you for listening to my ramblings, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.